Hello everyone, in this video we're now going to be fixing the brake lever which we snapped off when we dropped the bike, and we'll also be at the same time replacing the clutch lever. We'll be replacing both of these for some Evotech CNC machined levers, which we'll unbox in a second. So first off, we have the clutch lever. We can tell it's the clutch lever because it has a notch for the clutch cable so that we can push it in, put it round. Both the brake and clutch levers are foldable. I've gone for that option so that in the case where the bike were to tip, it would fold the lever rather than snap it off at the end like it has on the brake lever currently. They're also both adjustable here, where you can lengthen or shorten the length of pull or the distance they are from the actual grip itself. And they're both made from billet aluminium and then anodized in black, and they have the option, if you want, straight from Evotech, to buy different colors. I've gone for the standard red, given the fact I have other red accents on the bike, but they're sold separately as an accessory. So we're quickly going to go and fit them, and then hopefully we can go and test them out on a bike ride. The brake lever itself is also the same, but the shape is slightly different given the fact we haven't got a cable to pull on here. So in terms of fitting the levers, we're going to start off with the brake. It has a screw here which we'll need to use a flathead on, and then underneath right there it has a 10mm bolt, so I'm going to start using those to loosen them off. Go. That's one lever done, and if it were to bend, fold, there we have it. Perfect. These feel nice. So for the clutch lever side, we're going to do something very similar. We're first going to loosen off the two nuts here, and then we're going to loosen off the nut just there in blue that you can see, which will allow us to push out this pin. Once we push out the pin, pull the lever out, a bit like we've done to the brake, and then we can get the cable off at the bottom, put the new one in on the new lever, do the reverse, and get ready to go. So there you have it. We've got one set of brake levers fitted and a clutch lever. They all actuate very smoothly to the feel. They can all be adjusted. These are the foldable version. I know they're also available in the shorties if you prefer two-fingered pull. And I believe they also do one folding, one shorty if you want a folding brake and a shorty clutch. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.